Nessa Sunshine here, and today we're getting into a tutorial mainly using the Baby Got Peach new Colourpop Peach palette. And in the middle of this video, I'm going to just kind of give my thoughts about some of the products that they have in the Peach collection. It's beautiful, I'll tell you that already. But we're really focusing on doing a simple wearable eye look. This palette is beautiful. So spoiler alert. If you want to get this look, well, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the tutorial. The first shadow I'll be getting into is Darling, and I will also be using the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro number 18 blending brush. And I'm only taking it with the tip of the brush, holding it like a pencil toward my face. I'm taking it to the outer corner and moving in swiper motions outward. I'm going to dip my brush back into Darling and add more. And I'm really just building up this pretty light peach shadow. This is just going to be a super wearable look. I'm blending it kind of out softly. I may be moving in fast motions, but it is I'm using very light, soft touches. So I'll go ahead and add Darling to the other side. I will be getting into the Golden Hour Super Shock Shadow from the You Want a Peach with Me collection. What I'll do is take it right into the center of the eye, sort of blend it up. I'm going to use my pinky because my ring finger sort of went higher than I was expecting, and I'm just blending up to the top. And I'm going to blend out the edge going into the inner corner, but not completely into the inner corner. And I'll take my pinky and take the other edge and blend to the outer corner without adding any further of the shadow. Go ahead and add a little bit of Golden Hour in the center, and we'll get into the palette. I will also be getting into Ready or Yacht, and I'll be using one of the Take Me Back to Brazil brushes in number 6. It's just a pointed pencil brush. I'm focusing it in the inner quarter of the eyelid and moving in swiper motions with the pencil brush, and then I'll start to blend it up, and I'm going to tilt my brush toward my face a little bit at an angle and bring up Ready or Yacht. So see how it just is light in the inner, moves to gold, and then moves to peach. Super pretty, super simple, and very wearable. So I'm going to go ahead and add Ready or Not to Ready or Yacht. Yacht. More fancy. So at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and tell you some of my thoughts on the collection before we have a makeup miracle moment and finish off this look. It's really I'm just doing a tutorial, but I do want to give you my thoughts here in the middle of the video. So here we have the Nothing On BFF Duo. I didn't use these, and I'm not going to use these today. These are the Colourpop liquid liner and the BFF mascara. I love these. I love these particular shades. This is the Brownie Points mascara. It's really beautiful. It's very natural. If you're looking for a good brown mascara, this is it. I love their mascaras. The brown mascara does a great job out of the different colors. I like the yellow one and the teal and purple. I like a lot of the BFF mascaras, but this one does a good job if you want a natural brown sort of mascara look. This is nice. The liquid liner, I love this one. I'm not a fan of all of the liquid liners. They're okay, but I do like Grande. Grande is a beautiful brown liquid liner, and I think this one might be one of my favorite of the colors that they have, the options they have. I think Grande is definitely one of my favorites, and it's my favorite brown liquid liner that I've ever tried. I haven't tried many, but I do like it a lot. I want to use the Bellini BB collection. It's a lippy bundle, so it has a lip balm and a lip scrub. So these are the two that come in the collection. I'm going to do the scrub first. This one kind of smells like peach. It has a very soft scent to it. By the way, I love the Baby Got Peach palette. I'll talk about my thoughts while I kind of scrub my lips. I love this palette. I think it's gorgeous. I think it's very wearable for if you love peachy looks. It is different than the Sweet Talk palette. The Sweet Talk has more corals and browns. There are some similar shades, but Baby Got Peach is much more of an orange, bright, orangey. I think peach is kind of a pinky orange, right? It's so pretty. This is just such a pretty, light, neutral, gorgeous palette. I love the palette. This lippy bundle, I love their lip scrubs, Colourpop lippy scrubs. They're so nice. And yeah, they're sweet, so I really like them. And then I'm going to apply this as well. I've already used everything before. Oh, I didn't talk about the Super Shock shadows. Colourpop Super Shock shadows are just the best. So what else is there to say besides that they're truly the best? they're beautiful. I love them, and I love the selection of each color for this particular set. I love this set. I just think it's the prettiest bundle collection they've come out with so far. So this is the balm, which is really nice. I'll just apply it like all over. I'm not gonna wear these for this look today, but as I'm trying on stuff anyway, I might as well talk about them. So this is the Peach Please Just a Tint. There's 2 shades. I'll do the dark one on my lower lip, and then I'll do the bright one on the upper lip, so you can just see. These Just a Tint are super pretty. This one's very natural, see? They are literally just a tint. They smell like really peachy. And this is the other shade, the light shade. And this is such a pretty like light peach. This is a pretty light peach. I just mix them, oh my. But yeah, so they're just a tint, literally just a tint. And I thought I wasn't going to like this. Out of everything, I thought I wasn't gonna like be a fan of this, but I liked it, so that's that. At this point, I'm gonna pop on some lashes. These are the Marti Coqueta Lashes. I do have a code Nessa. You'll save, I believe, 20% off if you use it. And they have 3 different types of lashes. I think they're very wearable. This one is super wearable, very wispy. Let's go ahead and have a makeup miracle moment, and we'll be back with the lower lash line. And voila, we have a miracle moment. So I've already kind of shown you before in the like break of the review of the different products. I did put the blush. The other 2 blushes, I'm not a fan of the colors. I love the packaging. I think it's so pretty, the design. This color though, I really love it. I think it's so pretty. It's called Frisky Business. So that's the blush. I think it's beautiful. I really, really like this blush. This is my favorite blush I've tried from Colourpop so far. So Frisky Business, beautiful. Love that one. But yeah, I'd have to try the other 2 blushes to see if I like them. So far, the colors don't stand out to me, but I have to see what it looks like on me to decide if I like them or not. And if I want to put on more, I could. I don't really like to put like a ton of blush on, so I just put a little bit. But yeah, I like the little touch of blush. I'm going to use the same shade Darlin for the lower lash line, and the BH Cosmetics number 24 brush from the 3 trio. I do have a code with BH Cosmetics. It's code Nessa. You can save if you do use it. So I'm going to just kind of brush this all under the lower lash line. This is such a pretty color. I love it. So pretty. I didn't realize I liked peach so much, but man, I love it. This, by the way, I don't know if I said it when I was talking about the palette. I love this. I love this. I think this is my favorite palette that they've come out with, like in these quads. I still want to do the Honey, the yellow palette. I really like that one. But this peach one is so pretty. I think this is one of my favorites. I think I can really wear this one a lot. I love all the colors. I like the choices. Yeah, I really love this one. So that's that. For mascara, I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics Stellar Lash. You can put on whatever mascara you have, and that will complete the look. And I'll tell you what lip I am wearing in a minute. For lips today, I will be wearing the Cosmetics Cashmere Cream lip. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial using the Baby Got Peach Colourpop Peach palette. It is gorgeous. I love it. I already kind of talked about how this one is my favorite one out of all the collections or out of all the square palettes so far. Love it. I love it, love it, love it. I love the collection. I still have to try a couple of the blushes. I love the Super Shock shadows. They're fantastic, phenomenal, amazing. I love them. The lip tints are nicer than I was expecting. They're very nice and wearable and natural. I'm not wearing them for the final lip because I wanted something a little bit more vibrant for this look today, since this is such a soft look. But the lip tints would be perfect if you really want a natural look with a soft eye look, and the lip tints, ooh, natural and beautiful and fresh. Everything about this collection is really fresh, so I really like that. I love it, and yeah, those are extra thoughts. So if you did like this video, make sure to like it. If you are getting anything from the Peach collection, I know there are so many collections, but this collection I think so far is my favorite one out of all of them. I love the Rainbow collection, love the Rainbow collection. I love the California Love collection, and I think the Peach collection is my #1 out of all the collections. Those are like my top 3, I guess. Like, I like a lot of the collections, but I love the Peach collection. So yeah, if you are getting anything, let me know down below. If you're not, you can let me know too. That's totally fine. We don't need to get everything that comes out all the time, but this one is definitely a great collection. So yeah, that's it for today. If you like this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Bye now.